Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rarisi Maribi. On this channel, I film contents about graduate school in the United States, sustainability education, lifestyle, and finance. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite apps on my iPad. Um, so this is my iPad. I did an unboxing when I got this iPad sometime in 2021. So if you've not yet seen that video, it will be linked up here and down in the description box, so you can go check it out. So I have several apps on this iPad, but I'm going to be sharing with you the ones that I think are improving my productivity and the ones I love so much. So the first on the list for that is Notability. So Notability is a note-taking app. I literally take all my notes there, and you can plan. You can section out your notes into different subject dividers. So if you see here on my Notability, I have leadership roles, so things like my professional organizations, mentorship program. I have a folder for PhD, so everything about my research is in that folder. I have for career, so internships and full-time positions I'm planning out after I finish my PhD. My business, which includes both YouTube but also my professional business, like future business, they're not like running right now, but it's being planned, and just miscellaneous. So you can also see planner. So on this Notability app, I have my digital planner, so we can go into that. I actually bought it off Etsy. I think I'll leave the link to where I bought it down in the description box. But it's a digital planner that enables you plan your day, and it has links to easily navigate. So if we go in, for example, do not laugh at my handwriting. It's not the best, but we move. Um, you can see at the first page, you just click on index and it takes you to a page where you can see the year at a glance, monthly planner, weekly planner, daily planner. So if you want to see the year at a glance, you just click it, and you can see all of the months at a glance. So you can actually just start planning. This is like for 2021. I'm going to be planning in 2022. So we're not going to go into details with planning, but this is one thing I use my Notability app for. And the fact that I can read, if we go into my PhD folder, let's just go into one of the folders like PFAS research. I can download papers and write on the papers and highlight, and so I really love this feature of Notability. So that's like my best app, and one reason I bought this particular iPad, the iPad Pro with the M1 chip, was because of the pencil. So the fact that I can easily just write on the pencil, it's just really wonderful. So the second app I'll be sharing is YouTube. YouTube is on my iPad, and it's actually very important. Okay, yeah, I use it for entertainment and not to watch things, but it's also educational. So with YouTube combined with the Notability app, I can actually do a lot of research. I could just click and go to YouTube, for example, and just look for maybe a video I want to learn about. Watch the video and write notes simultaneously. So YouTube is actually a very important app I use on my iPad. So I can just watch videos and write collectively and just carry out like my research like that. But also, I think I'll just say search engine. So YouTube, Safari, Google, I know you can actually work on like just have Notability on the side and work with any other thing on the side. So you can set up a paper and you're reading and writing, or you can as well just import the paper to Notability. So really Notability is like my best app, like I said, combined with any search engine like YouTube, Safari, whatnot. So the next apps, I think I'll combine like a corporate one. Meeting apps. So meeting apps like Google Meet, Zoom, um, and Teams. So I do a lot of my school meetings on Teams. I do professional meetings on Zoom and Google Meet. Google Meet most of the time. So I really love those apps. The Google Calendar is actually one very important app for me because I set um, appointments on that app. I set things that I'm meant to do on the app. So even as I have a planner to plan my day, I really need to set things on my um, Google app, Google Calendar, so that it can notify me. So I use the planner in connection with my Google Calendar. So with my Outlook calendar, that's mostly like school related stuff, because if there's any meeting and all, it automatically gets stored in my Outlook calendar. So but Google Calendar is for anything outside of school, like individual stuff. I set it there. Sometimes I like to set in both places to just notify me. So if I have a deadline coming up in 5 months, 6 months, I set it on my Google Calendar, so that I also tell which one to notify me in case I need to start working on it. So it's a very important app for me. I use Canva because I'm a professional but also creative. I need creative apps like Canva. So I use Canva to create posters. So I use it both in school and on my YouTube, right? So I am a member of the Society of Women Engineers, and we get to host a lot of events throughout the semester, and I need to like make flyers to announce these events, and so I make use of Canva to make those flyers. And I also use Canva for my thumbnail on YouTube. So Canva is very important, and I love that I can easily use it on my iPad. So this Shaper 3D, so this is like a 3D modeling software. I do not actively use it, but it helps, especially in um, product design for products for my business or company. Like I said, it's not like it's running 100% now, but there are a lot of things in work. So if I need to explain a concept to my designer of something I want in our product, to make it easier to conceptualize instead of just saying it, I could easily just go to the Shaper 3D to just show her a concept. So there is an app that I believe I would like, or I've not been able to organize it properly, and that's the Notion app. So Notion app, everything I do on Notability, I'm meant to be able to import it to Notion. I see a lot of videos of people using Notion, and it seems, oh, it looks so cool. It's like having a website of your life where you put every details about your life, like click this, that. But I've not been able to set it up properly. I've not had the time, or rather, I don't know. I can't really say I've not had the time, but I just see it as really complicated to actually design, or I want to design it and then start using it. I wish I could have like an already designed like template to just import, or sometimes looking at, I keep on watching more videos to see if there's less complicated ones, especially for people like me, like a PhD student and a creative. If there's any simple template out there, if you know anyone with like a simple straightforward Notion template, please send it to me, because I'm not using the app, but I already love it because of what I see people doing. So yeah, basically those are like my favorite apps. The other ones are just random, like just for fun. Of course, I have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is like a professional app, so it's easily going to LinkedIn. But I have fun apps like Netflix, Prime, to watch movies when I want to watch movies. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Please share with me your favorite productivity apps on your iPad. I'd love to see them. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. Yeah, join the tribe. Leave a comment to let me know what type of content you want to see from me throughout this 2022, and I'll try my best to create such content for you guys. So until my next video, continue to live consciously. See you in the next video. Bye.